But you will be given a 1 or 2 minutes right now, and you will be given a topic, and you have to speak on the topic for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we can stop. Now, first, let me read to you. You have to talk about a time when you gave advice to someone. Okay, you should say who you gave advice to, what the advice was, why you gave the advice, and how you felt about the advice. You can read it. You have time. This talk about.
I'm Mujahid, and I'm gonna speak some words about advice. Most of the time, I do not advise to a people walking on a street. If I know a person, he might be my brother, colleague, or best friend, then I'm gonna advise him, and I'm gonna advise that person that I have gone through it. I won't advise by listening to someone else.
Very good.
Yeah, if I talk about my story about my younger brother,
Yes.
I gave him advice to select a career. Once he once he passed out his 12th standard with a 84 color with a colorful marks, so he was thinking that he should go for a engineering, as I was an engineering student or from a background of engineering, so
Right.
I know what is the correct choice. So I just asked him that rather than going to be a engineer, you should go for a CA, or you should select a commerce, because it's a evergreen industry, evergreen field, because there are so many path connected to a commerce. Once you are connected to a engineering, you can be an engineer, but once you are into a field of a commerce, you can be like into a CA, you can be into account sales, and there are so many paths connected to them.
Right.
Yeah, so and I think that was the best advice I have given to someone in my concern, because that's the best thing. Once you give advice to someone and he works on it, advice or like onto that path, that's it's a great feeling for you, because it feel like it's your victory, because
Okay.
someone just listened to you, someone gave that important to you, that he asked for advice. Once you gave him advice, rather than ignoring, he just worked on that. So in my opinion, I remember that this was one of the story of giving advice to someone.
Okay.